Why are some golf coaches getting hundreds of thousands, even millions of views, while others are staying stuck at a few hundred? It's not luck. It's our Triple M framework, also known as a proven system that helps coaches stop guessing, tap into what's already working, and 10x their views while building authority, passive income, and real revenue. Coaches, I am joined today with Toby. He is our viral video specialist, a team member over here at Golf Influencer, and the creator of the Triple M framework, also known as
I did create that, yes. So let's go over it, keep it simple. So let's take a look at the 3 M's. The first one being magnetizing. Find what's already winning. What is attracting views currently on YouTube or attracted the views in the past? Now, you just want to take a look at the top performing coaches, look at their most popular videos and take their winning titles, topics and thumbnails and mirror them. The second M, copy the strategy and not the content. Look, we're trying to take the best of the best, but also we're not looking to copy it word for word. You want to put your own spin on it and make it your own. The third M, teach it your way, helping the golfers in the way that you already help them with your style, your voice, and your brand.
Okay, Toby, I love the Triple M framework, also known as magnetizing, finding what's already winning, mirroring, copying the strategy but not the content, and making it your own by teaching it your way. So, Toby, can you show us a real world example of you going to some of the top coaches, finding a top performing video, and how do we actually take something from that, use it for the coaches in our group that is getting them hundreds and thousands of views?
So one of the coaches in the group used this exact same framework to get some great results on his own channel. Justin Kambala went over to Tom Seguto's channel, filtered by popular, and saw this top performing video with 1.2 million views. He then decided to implement the winning strategies that were magnetizing the audience to the video, mirroring exactly what was working and turning it into his own, using his own voice, making it his own way. Using this framework enabled Justin to get almost 80,000 views in only 4 weeks. And the beauty of it, it's not just work for Justin, it's also work for some of our other coaches as well. Ashley Noel came to me with this video where she's teaching one of her favorite drills she teaches students, and we realized it was another example of a video that we could package in the same way. So we saw what was being magnetized by Justin and Tom's, we mirrored it, and we used her own voice, her own style to make it her own way. And this video got 71,000 views in only 5 days. It's now her most popular video on her channel. And so it's worked for Tom, it's worked for Justin, it worked for Ashley, and it's also now working for Maggie. She's had a top performer in only 22 hours of the video being published using the same framework. The Triple M, magnetize, mirror, and make it your own.
So for the coaches on here, a little recap. First, let's find what is magnetizing, what's already winning. Let's go to the top golf coaching YouTube channels, like the Craig Hansons, like the Erica Cornos, like the Danny Wads, like the Tom Segutos. Let's go to their videos. Let's go to popular, and let's find the title, topic, and thumbnail that's already winning. Then let's mirror it by copying the strategy, right, but not the content, and by making it our own and teaching in our own way, our own tips, drills, or lessons in our own voice and our own style. This is something that you can do. You can spend 1 or 2 minutes on, and you're going to give yourself the best chance at creating viral videos that we already know have been proven to work. That could be the difference between getting 1 to 2,000 views per video or getting 50 or 70,000 views in just 3, 4, or 5 days. So thank you for watching. Toby, our viral video specialist, thank you for sharing the Triple M framework, also known as okay, so much. And for the coaches on here, click the link in the description or the interactive card and pick up your viral video checklist. This is where we're going to give you ChatGPT prompts, video title formulas, and our top 10 viral titles and thumbnails. Thank you, Toby. To all the coaches out there, this is Gabriel Ryder signing out, helping golf coaches launch and scale online. Also known as, dude, it's almost impossible for me to keep a straight face while I say that. I don't know why. It's our Triple M framework. Damn it, dude. I can't do it, bro. Hard for me to say it without laughing. Our Triple M framework, also known as... I'm so sorry, Lord.